Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your Android version and pick a browser that supports extensions. Install Firefox for Android or Kiwi if you prefer Chromium features. Once installed, open the browser and sign in to synchronize bookmarks and settings. This makes extension behavior predictable. Make sure to allow required permissions when the browser asks. Without permissions, the extension cannot work properly. This first step readies your device and browser so you can add extensions reliably and avoid permission-related failures. Now you locate the extension itself. In Firefox, open add-ons and search. In Kiwi or Yandex, visit the Chrome Web Store and search for the extension. Once you find it, read the description and review requested permissions. This is why you trust or reject an add-on. Tap Install or Add to begin the download. After installation, the extension icon appears in the toolbar or menu. Enable it in the browser's extensions page and grant any secondary permissions. This ensures the extension is active and ready to operate. Finish by configuring the extension. Open its settings to set preferences and toggle features. Once done, test it on a web page to confirm functionality. If it doesn't appear or work, restart the browser first. That often resolves initialization issues. Make sure no other extension conflicts, and clear cache if content scripts don't load. If problems persist, enable developer mode or reinstall the extension. These steps reveal errors or corrupt installs. This troubleshooting tip helps you recover quickly and keep the extension working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.